Okay, so this is the first planner that I purchased. It is this gorgeous taupey gray vegan leather, super cool belt like closure. And this is from AllieRyaz, or you may know her on Instagram as Philo Planner. And as you can see, it also comes in black, and she also has like this yellow kind of suede looking one, which was really gorgeous as well. It was not easy deciding which color. But a little backstory, I was itching for a new cover, feeling like I had already set up all my planners multiple times and was just looking for like a change, something fresh and clean. And I love the idea of like starting the new year in a new binder. So, and also, some of you also may know that I had been dying for the Vanderspec Stardust Croco, and hesitating and saving up and blah, 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 but I just wasn't ready to purchase it yet. And it also wasn't available in their Touch Me line at the time. So I ended up deciding on this and this color specifically because it kind of I felt like it would be a good planner to hold me over until I did purchase the Vanderspec. And so I did. And I don't regret it at all. The only downside, I guess kind of a downside, is that it's personal size. And I was probably hoping for an A6. However, once I got it, I was just like, this is gorgeous. I miss personal size. And also, side note, she writes that it could also fit Franklin Covey or even personal wide without divider tabs. So that also was definitely a selling point for me. But again, this is gorgeous, and it will probably be my finance planner in January. But anyway, so the specs: 7 credit card slots on the left and right side, not 1 but 2 secretarial pockets, and these giant 30mm rings in silver, but it looks so nice. Like, I love this taupey color with the silver. So I'm in love with this planner, honestly. If you have been following me on Instagram, you know that I did post about it. It's on my feed already. So you guys, some of you may have already known that I did purchase this, but I wanted to share on YouTube. Oh my God. And it's amazing. I have no complaints whatsoever, other than she didn't have it in A6. That's the only thing. But I don't mind adding another personal size planner to my collection. And this one is so gorgeous and unique, like I said. So I am in love. And then, get this. Not too long after I got this planner and I was already starting to process that I might be in personal size for 2022, Vanderspec posts that they have some of their leathers available in the Touch Me line again. And lo and behold, they had the Stardust Croco, Velvet Matte Croco, I think is the full title, available. So your girl did not hesitate. I kid you not, I read that email at work, went for a bathroom break, and ordered it right then and there because I couldn't take it anymore. It was the only planner that really, besides this one, was like calling my name. I had been like looking on the marketplaces, on Facebook, on the buy sell trades, blah blah blah, Instagram, hashtag planner for sale, and I saved a few, but I knew that anything I got that wasn't this planner that I'm about to show you and see for the first time myself, any planner other than the Stardust Croco would have kind of been settling and wouldn't have made me happy. So I was just like, let me do this. I literally put as a goal for 2021 that I would buy this. I told myself I would save money for it, so I just went and did it. So I'm so excited about this. I'm glad that I just went ahead and did it. I have no regrets whatsoever, and I am so excited to use this in 2022. I feel like I deserve it after this crazy year, and I don't know. I'm so excited. So let's open it up. This is my first time seeing it too. So this is like a true reaction. Oh my God, just the peek of it. It's so gorgeous, you guys. The only thing though is if it was a custom, I would totally have gotten square corners, but I figured the price point, how much money saved with the Touch Me line, I mean the ready to ship, I believe it's still called Touch Me. Correct me if I'm wrong. The affordability of that versus a custom was like ridiculous. So, oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Like even through the bag, I can tell. Like, can you not see why this has been like my unicorn planner, you guys? I don't know what planner I could possibly want after this. It's so beautiful. So let's open it up. And it got here ridiculously fast. Like, I would say I ordered it about a week ago, maybe. And it was like, the shipping was probably like 3-4 days, no joke. Oh my God, you guys. This feels so amazing. It's like this, it is literally what it says. Like, it's in the title, like velvet matte. That's the perfect way to describe it. It's so soft. Oh my God. I am in love. I am in love. So I got the gold 30mm rings. And I will say I had a little bit of regret after I did that, just because I love the way that this planner and the silver looks. I think I just instinctively, impulsively did gold because gold is more rare to find in rings. But the cool thing is I have other planners with cross rings, and if I really, really desperately want to change it, I can swap them out. I've swapped cross rings before, and it's something I'm comfortable doing. But oh my gosh, this is gorgeous, and it feels so like floppy and like squishy. Not squishy, but it just feels like it would really hold my inserts in a cool way. Like, I like when it wraps around and kind of gets a little rounded and chunky. It's totally gonna get chunkified fast. I'm so excited. Hopefully I won't have to baby it too much, but I've heard people talk about how to protect their velvet leathers with like Apple Guard. I think I might, honestly, just keep it at home and protect it without spraying it, just because, I don't know, I feel like it might change it too much. Let me know down below if you've sprayed a velvet planner with Apple Guard and how it took it, and if it changed the texture in any way. Like, I'd honestly rather just keep it on, like, not just keep it on a bare surface if I can avoid it. Like, make sure my hands are clean and dry. Totally worth it. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. No words. Like, no complaints whatsoever. This, I like the way the setup is. This is how I would do it if I could customize it in without thinking about price. I would totally want a zipper pocket, 2 pen loops. I'd want my the credit card pockets in the back, not the front. I hate when they're in the front. And secretarial pockets. I don't know if I said that already. And of course the back pocket. For smaller planners like A6, you do want the back pocket so you can fit full letter paper if you fold it in half. Oh my God. I have to move in. But I'm gonna hold off until the end of December. I'm currently in, if you're curious, my Mulberry, which is another gorgeous A6 planner. Little quick size comparison, nothing crazy. It's slightly bigger, taller, ever so slightly wider, and these are probably 20mm and these are 30. But I fit a decent amount in here. Guys, I'm so happy. I feel so blessed, so grateful that I was able to get this finally in my hands. Another taupey colored planner. But this is definitely more of a warm tone. As you can tell, this is way cooler, especially with the silver rings. It brings out the cooler tones. Anyway, I'm rambling, but I hope you enjoyed this video. A little bit different for me. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns, whatever. Just want to say, hey, what did you get from Black Friday? What was your favorite purchases? Did you get any planners? Let's chat, because I'm ready to chat with you guys. And I'm looking forward to the new year with these 2 planners. These will probably be my January planners. Oh my God, I need to stop talking. I hope you guys have an amazing holiday season. And I wish you the best. Peace and love. Bye.